Superintendent Kipulet ke North Garo Hills Bruno E Sangma ula pentip bagi pulet kila kem kila Ngut kibran kiti haga jeng temu ban pynkhie biang ya ka kenhun king atiar ka Garo National Liberation Army GNLA. Kini kila Ngut ke belas akem ki kentop ihu erang barem ka kenhun king atiar ka United Aceh Liberation Army UALA usim sang ke marak na resubel para uti sangma bar usuresh sangma kibana adogre. Superintendent Kipulet ulay itu ba usim sang udah belas atwet Kipulet Assam bat kumta Kipulet ke Meghalaya kens IT si Kipulet ke Assam hadian bagi la pendap ikijing tokit. Kini gilangut kidai kebeladan keti ha ke banbo ikijing to akiran san social media ha ka nyau trek urempang ban pynkhie biang ya ke GNLA bat Kipulet keliyok ban kurup ya ke mobile phone ke ba ke balapan non kam ha ke bandawa pisa arpau hajar tengka na wei brio. Kipulit gilaong ba kidon kumbah nyungut kibatemu ban pynkhie biang ya ke GNLA bat Kipulit kinang thwet ban yo kem no yaki.
Regarding regrouping of GNLA, in the month of February 7th, there was a social media posting saying that GNLA has regrouped. And on the 25th of February 2024, we have received one FIR in Calcutta PS. And based on the FIR which we received, we have conducted investigations. And so far, till date, we have arrested 3 people in this regard. And the names of those people are Singsan Kemara from Regrouping, and he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Tilja Sangma from Adogre, he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Suresh Sangma from Adogre only, he is 32 years of age. As of now, investigation is going on and we have seized mobile phones from their possessions which were used in the crime along with SIM cards. So as of now, investigation is going on. Sri Sengsan Kemara is an ex-militant group. He has been rehabilitated and he is the main culprit in this case in North Garo Hills. He has been wanted in Assam police as well. Assam court has given NBWA against him and we will be handing him over to Assam police as when the investigation is over in North Garo Hills. So far, investigation is going on and more arrests will take place. There are around 7 to 8 members in this regroup, so we will not be sparing them and we will be going after them.
As per the input received, so far the 6 youth were associated with the GNLA R group. Okay. GNLA R group came into our notice after the Facebook post on probably 7th February 2024. And out of those 6 youth, 3 were already arrested. Other 3 are already identified, they are absconding. So we will not allow any illegal activities by any groups. That much I can say.
Any political backing to this group?
Difficult to say. I don't think so. Because mostly their aim, some vested interest youth are there, their main aim is to extort money and to go for quick buck, overnight. All those things are there in their mind. So probably they thought that if some organization is formed, then it will become easy for them.